Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. This is one of my favorite summer palettes, a variety of reds, violets, oranges. Most of them are blends that I've mixed with other colors to get the shade that I like. I'm doing another ritual pour today, and a ritual is different from a habit. And that's what I'm exploring is what's the difference between a ritual and a habit? Think about making your coffee or tea in the morning. If you've been doing the same thing for years upon years, it could be a ritual or it could be a habit. I think that the differences between ritual and habit are one is a sense of awareness while you're doing it. Habits, you can kind of do them and not even notice that you're doing them, like driving the car. You don't think about shifting every time or putting the coffee in the coffee filter. You don't really have to think about that. But a ritual, you're very mindful. So when I put the paint in the cups, each time, even though I've done it every day for years, it's like the first time. That's what I love about the ritual. It makes everything so special. Another quality of ritual is that the small things, in order to stay mindful, are done in exactly the same way each time. For example, setting up, your paints are in the same place, cleaning up, things are cleaned up in the same order. So, for something like a tea ceremony or a recitation, this is pretty easy, but with painting, there's so many things involved and it's so messy. It's a challenge for me. This is my summer flower. It's hot and beautiful. And I also poured another painting right after this with the same colors and forgot to turn on the camera. But I really like the movement and the contrasts in this painting, so I thought that I would share it with you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in the next video.